What's up, everybody? It's your boy King Hussle, and yes, this is my new YouTube channel. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell, so whenever I drop new sauce, new lessons, new methods, and giveaways, you'll be the first one to be notified. You'll be the first one to know what's going on, and hey, you might be the first one to win something for free. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell on all the YouTube channels. I'm talking this one right here, King Hussle. King Hussle X1M, King Hussle 2.0, King Hussle Crazy Reactions, the Hussle family, and turn motivation into millions. Also, make sure you follow me on all my social media platforms. All you gotta do is click the oh man. All you gotta do is click the title on every video. Once you click the title on every video, at the bottom in the description, all my social media links will pop up. Alright, got a lot of fake King Hussle pages out there. So please get a FaceTime verification call or video to make sure you see this face. Make sure you're doing legit business and you're getting what you paid for, alright? And before we get anything started, this is all educational purposes only. Not telling anybody to do anything. So let's get this thing started. So, what it do, my Hussle Nation Empire family? What up, my Hussle fans, my supporters, my subscribers? What it do? We about to get back to it. We about to really get to getting this money. I'm gonna put everybody in a position to get major bucks, thousands of dollars. All you gotta do is follow instructions. All you gotta do is pay attention. All you gotta do is stop being so thirsty to get over and try to get millions of dollars without having to do nothing, because once you learn how to do something, you will be successful with doing a lot. All right, so today I'm gonna be dropping sauce and giving y'all gems on this Wells Fargo $50,000 small business loan that they got over $50 million plus in loans that they giving out to people for their small businesses, new startup businesses, small businesses, period. All right, they're not gonna be promoting it all over the internet and doing little commercials and things like that. No. If you know, you know. So if you know, you go in, you apply, you do what you gotta do, and you'll get you $50,000. All right. So with tax season coming up, there are a lot of lenders and banks that are giving leeway, that want to start loaning money to small businesses, to people, so they can start making them money back, and so on and so on. So if you're somebody out there that want to get a $50,000 small business loan in 2 weeks with your LLC and EIN number, make sure you follow these instructions, because if you follow these instructions, I guarantee you will be successful in getting this $50,000 loan on the business side. All right, it's easier to get in the bad credit personal loan, and the percentages and the utilization and the impact will be different from your business. It's easier. So I'm gonna show y'all how to get this $50,000 small business Wells Fargo loan in 2024 with just your LLC and EIN number. All right, so make sure y'all pay attention and make sure y'all follow instructions, and I guarantee you'll be successful. All right, so first things first, when I'm giving y'all this information on these videos, please understand that I'm not the only one giving this information. If you follow along, some people get their information different, so whoever you feel like watching and getting the information from, that's who you should be listening to, all right? And it doesn't really matter. But at the end of the day, we're really making plays, we're really making money, we're really investing, we're really becoming more blessed, all right? So first thing you need to do is you need to get your LLC and you need to get your EIN number, because once you get your EIN number, that's going to allow you to get your business bank account, checking and savings with Wells Fargo, all right? So before anything, you need to start your LLC and you need to start your EIN, get your EIN number, your free EIN number, all right? And if you're doing this on the CPN side, this will be effective too, all right? So once you get your LLC and get your EIN number, you need to get you a Wells Fargo account. You use your EIN number to get a business checking and savings account. Once you get that business checking and savings account, you're going to put at least $200 in, so 100 in checking and 100 in savings. Once you do that, you also want to make sure, because this is going to be a business finesse. A lot of people don't understand how to finesse business credit to start getting loans, credit cards, and lines of credit without having to even have co-signers or nothing like that. How you can use yourself as a personal guarantor. Your personal credit can be used as a personal guarantor towards your business credit. All right, so what you need to do is you need to get you an Experian account. Once you get an Experian account, not everybody's credit profile is different. So some people might need to clean their credit. Some people might just need to add trade lines. Credit is built off your debt. So if you have accounts on your credit profile that you're paying back on time, depending on how much it is, you're going to start building your credit. But if you're delinquent or not paying those accounts back or paying those monthly payments back, your credit score will go down. All right, so what people do is we get trade lines and AUs, we mix it up, we boost the credit within a couple days, maybe 2 weeks, to finesse our credit profile so it can look better than what it really is. And it will build our credit. So If I go to Trade Line Supply, if I go to creditstrong.com, I go to Manual Credit, I can get over $100,000 in trade lines and AUs to add on my credit. So now it will report on my credit report that I have over $100,000+ being reported on my credit report, and I'm paying it back on time, which will enhance my credit score, and it'll look good when these lenders and these banks come to look at your credit score and see what all you have going on. So that's why a lot of people don't get approved for the loans and credit cards and lines of credit, because you don't have good debt. You have to have good debt, and those trade lines and AUs will add good debt to your credit report as long as you're paying monthly on them. So you don't have to go out and keep getting accounts and all these things under your name. No, just get trade lines and AUs. Once you got that, your credit score will jump at least 75 to 120 points within a matter of 15 to 30 days. Once your credit score jumps, now you're going to use that towards your LLC. You're going to start getting net 30 accounts, business trade lines from the same places, Trade Line Supply, creditstrong.com, because it's all going to boost your business credit up real fast, so you don't have to go through all the strangers trying to get multiple accounts and from stores under your business name so you can start building credit. This is the easy, fast finesse of how to start getting approved, start getting money, start investing so you can be more blessed. All right, so once you got your LLC, your EIN number, you got your business bank account, you want to get net 30s, so you're going to Uline, Granger, and Quail. You want to start doing your research and figuring out which net 30s report to which business profiles, which business bureaus, so you can know so you can build all of your business credit scores. Once you get all those net 30s, you want to get at least 2,500. Well, not everybody, at least 500 to $10,000 in net 30 accounts that you have 30 days to pay back. And if you pay it back on time, and if you pay it back before the deadline, it'll report on your business credit, whichever bureaus it will be reporting to, as exceptional payment history, and it will give you at least 30 points jump, depending on how much you have finance. All right, so it is all up to you how much you want to, how many net 30s you want to get. Once you get those net 30s, and this is all within a 30-day span, you're gonna wait. You're gonna let it report. Once you let it report, you're gonna go to wellsfargo.com. You're gonna walk into the loan office and you're gonna say, hey, I'm looking to get a loan, small business loan, unsecured, for $45,000, $50,000, $50,000, and they're gonna check everything that I just told you to do, and they gonna go from there. They're gonna go off what you tell them, stated income, and you're good to go. All right, so without further ado, let's go check out Wells Fargo, where you can go get that $50,000 unsecured business line of credit loan and invest and be blessed and start your business, or do whatever you want to do. It is up to you, but you're gonna have to pay that back. So let's check it out and see how you can get the bag. You go to Wells Fargo, you're going to go to small businesses. Once you go to small businesses, you're going to go to lines and loans. Once you go to lines and loans, you're going to go to business lines of credit, all right? Once you go to business lines of credit, it tells you right here, you got the Wells Fargo unsecured business line of credit, Wells Fargo business line of credit for customers in business for 2 or more years. This is for you. So if you've been in business for 2 or more years, you had an opportunity to get between $10,000 and $150,000 in revolving line of credit. It's the same thing as a loan. Whatever you don't use, you're not responsible for, so it's a safer route. Rates as low as prime is 1.75%, automatic enrollment in free rewards program. All right, so then they got the Wells Fargo Small Business Advantage line of credit for customers in business less than 2 years. So that's anybody with a new startup business. It's going to be between $5,000 and $50,000 in revolving line of credit line. Rates as low as prime plus 4.50%, automatic enrollment in free rewards program. Things to consider when preparing to apply for an unsecured business line of credit. Typically, guarantors have a FICO score of at least 680 at the time of application. So, with that being said, remember when I said you can use yourself as a personal guarantor? Typically, that means most of the time people have that average credit score. That don't mean you have to have that credit score. You do not have to have that credit score, that personal credit score, when you go apply for this loan. All right, so those trade lines will show them that you're able to pay back an X amount of money, and you can skip that. You can skip that from the business side because they'll be loaning you that. They know you don't have $50,000, but by you getting those trade lines added to your personal credit, and it shows you're paying back this X amount each month, is going to show that you are responsible for paying back money, and that's what's going to happen. So typically, yeah, but you do not have to have a 680. As long as you got a good payment history, they don't care about that. They want some money. They want to make money off you, so they're going to lend you that. All right. So business lines of credit requires personal guarantors from any owner with 25% or more ownership in the application of business. All right, and a minimum of combined of 51% ownership. All right. So once again, there you guys have it. What I just told you: small business and business line of credit account requires personal guarantor. I just said that owner in application business, and the minimum is said that. So basically everything I just told you is saying right here. All business applicants are unique and some exceptions may apply. Like I just told you, all applicants are subject to fine credit approval. Apply now and will match your request to the appropriate line of credit based on the product eligible. All right, so everything I just said, I just read. And they said the exact same thing because it is true. All right. So if anybody out there looking to get a $50,000 new business, small business startup loan, and you want to learn how to get it without having to go through the hassle, the nicks and the knacks, you want to get it ASAP, follow these instructions, and I guarantee you will get approved for 50, if not close to $1,000 on your business. And now you got business, a $50,000 loan being reported on your business credit, and it's up to you to do what you need to do with that. All right. So without further ado, let's talk about it. All right. So let's talk about it. $50,000 new business, small business, any business under 2 years can get up to $50,000. As long as you add those trade lines to your personal side, when they go to check, you won't need all that extra. You'll use yourself as your own personal guarantor, so you won't have to go find people and say, hey, can you co-sign for it? No, you'll be your own co-signer and get in the bag, all right? And it's up to you to do whatever you need to do once you get that bag, all right? It's tax season. A lot of tax credits going out, a lot of free money on the business side, a lot of grants going out, so do not miss the opportunity to become successful in 2024 off business credit. Once you learn business credit, you'll learn how to build CPNs and get loans. You'll learn how to do everything that you see everybody doing by yourself, and then you can do whatever you need to do to start teaching, charging, and making you some money. All right, you just got to learn how to do something. Stop wanting to cut corners. It's not going to get you anywhere. You do understand once you learn how to do something, you can become great and become the best at it. Once you learn how to play basketball, you can start averaging 20 points. Once you learn how to drive trucks, you could do truck driving and drive across the country. Once you learn how to swim, you can become Michael Phelps. Once you learn how to do cybersecurity, you can do a lot of hacking and a lot of different things. You have to learn how to do something, and once you learn, however your brain works, it will create and understand certain things. It will connect the dots. It will allow you to start making money in other ways. All right, so shout out to all my King Hussle fans and supporters who really out there watching, who really out there getting the gems, who really out there listening and getting the sauce, because without y'all, there'd be no me. Y'all motivate me keep going. Y'all motivate me keep dropping the sauce, and y'all motivate me keep y'all entertained. So shout out to y'all. We're finna keep the ball rolling. We're finna get the show going. Got a lot of giveaways going now. We still got the Jordans. I got a lot of t-shirts I'm giving away. I got a lot of Myths I'm giving away. And I'm giving away a lot of free live cards, all type of stuff. So all my real fans, all my real supporters, make sure you subscribe to all the YouTube channels. Make sure you follow me on my YouTube, my music YouTube channel, King Hussle X1M. Got a new mixtape dropping in about 2 weeks. Got a lot of new music dropping soon. A lot of new entertainment skits, blogs, interaction with the fans. So make sure y'all tap it in. Anybody out there that's looking and ready to learn how to start making money, $1,000 a day on a daily basis by sitting on your listen, you're gonna learn credit, you're gonna learn methods, you're gonna learn the sauce, you're gonna learn how to make passive income, you're gonna learn how to make $50,000 a month. 2 months is $100,000. When the last time you made $100,000? When the last time you made $1,000 a day? When the last time you made $500 a day in a month? That's $15,000. So it don't really matter. As long as you grind, as long as you follow these instructions, as long as you doing what you need to do, I guarantee you your life will change. All right. So FaceTime 1-on-1 Unlimited Gems is $600. Cashapp or Bitcoin payment. Once the 600 is on your Cashapp or Bitcoin balance, send me the screenshot. Let me know your payment ready, and we will go from there. Do not write me asking me random questions and trying to get free answers or none of that. I will not respond to you. So all Out of 1,000 people that were writing to me and not sending me screenshots, asking me the same questions that I say in over 1,000 videos. Y'all know y'all gotta send me them screenshots of you being payment ready for whatever y'all want. So, alright, so let's get it together. Alright, anybody looking to get their World Tour t-shirts? World Tour t-shirts alone is $160. But if you want your t-shirt, one free method and one free live card, it's $200. So do not miss out on that deal and that opportunity. We got 20 shirts left. Alright, so 20 people got the opportunity to get a World Tour t-shirt, one free method, and one free live card for $200. Don't miss out on that. Make sure y'all tap it in and book y'all seat right now on the Crypto Tour in-person limited gems lessons. Tap in, $4,500 in-state, $5,500 out-of-state. All right, so if I got to come out-of-state to you, it's going to be $5,500, and you got to pay for my hotel and my flight, $500 deposit, and the rest of the money will meet in person. But if you come in-state to me, it's going to be $500 deposit, and the rest of the money will meet in person. All right, so make sure y'all booking y'all see on the Crypto Tour right now. Come learn how to get this money. Come learn how to do all this good stuff that y'all been seeing, because like at the end of the day, no one's out here really teaching y'all how to become successful. Nobody's out here really teaching y'all how to get this money the right way. No one's really teaching y'all how to do these methods like me. So tap in, let's all get this money. Either you're gonna hate or you're gonna come get a dinner plate. Everybody has been hating on all these methods and all that for the past whenever. Those are the ones who are not getting money. Those are the people who are just so messed up in the brain that they so broke they don't want to see nobody else get no money either. That's gonna make them happy, right? So all the people that's hating and saying this ain't that and this ain't that, something must be real, because there's a lot of people out here making money in a lot of different ways, and a lot of them I'm talking about. So don't hate, come get a dinner plate, all right? Anybody looking to get their 8 instant cash out methods plus 2 free live cards, tap into my Telegram, Wealth and Riches. You can follow the link in my community post, and all my links are in my description, so you cannot get scammed by no fake King Hussle Telegram, because none of my Telegrams are King Hussle. All right, so follow the link in my community post. I'm telling you right here, Wealth and Riches, over 6,500 subscribers. Tap in, 64 or 6,500 subscribers. Tap in. Make sure you get a FaceTime verification call or a video, preferably a FaceTime video, FaceTime call, so you can make sure live time action that is me. And we're going to get this money, all right? Don't be discouraged. Don't be driven away from all the haters out there in the world saying something ain't real and this ain't that. Y'all know what's going on in this lifestyle. Y'all know what's going on in this field. It's 100% real. You just got to know what you're doing. You can't jump up and say, hey, I want to do this and never did it before and think you're finna get $1 million. It's not going to work like that. You have to learn some things. It might work like that for you. So it's just all up to you, what you know, what you want to do. All right, so shout out to everybody that's been rocking. Shout out to everybody that's been paying attention. We got the new dog kennel. Got a lot of new businesses popping up. Got the dog kennel that, you know what I'm saying, that I got started. So make sure y'all tap into that. I'm got my cannabis business. I'm growing plants. Tap in on that. Fire strains, new age credit repair, all that. Just tap in, because we finna really run up a bag, and I'm finna really help people get in a position. Also, anybody out there ready to win, I'm looking to find people to build this production company with. So I'm looking for actors, rappers, models, singers, producers, cameraman, you name it. Tap in. If you're a rapper or a singer, tap in. Music reviews is $200. If you're a model for a beautiful young lady out there that's ready and willing to work, got a good head on your shoulders, got a good attitude, tap in. Let's win. No games, no ifs, ands, or buts. I'm going to put you in all the positions to win. All right? So if you're not ready to get the guidance that you need to succeed and be successful, please do not bother me. Please do not contact me. But if you are ready, let's get this bag. Let me help you so we can help each other and get rich. All right? Tap in. It's your boy King Hussle. I'll see you all at the next video. Peace.